What's up, guys? I figured I would do a little bit more entailed video. I did my first short, and it's pretty hard to do in under a minute. So it's called Learn the Fretboard in Under a Minute. So if you're familiar with guitar, you know, it's probably not going to make a lot of sense. But if you know the 6 strings and what the names of the strings are, it's going to be fairly straightforward, and it's even going to be quicker than part 1 and part 2 of learning all the notes on the fretboard. So if you know the first string is E, and then the second string is B, the third string is G, and the fourth string is D, and the fifth string is A, and the sixth string is E. Well, we know first string and sixth string, of course, I covered this before, are the same. So the notes are going to be the same. But what I came up with was a little bit of a rhyme, which is if you know your ABCs. So you got A, B, C, D, E, F, G, that's 7 notes. If you put a sharp in between except on E and B. Why no sharp on E and B? Because there is no sharp on E and B. If you bar across this first fret, we know there's no sharp on E, so what comes after E? F, right? And then we'll do A sharp, D sharp, G sharp. There's no sharp on B, so we go to the next letter in the alphabet, C. And then E just repeats to an F. So if we worked our way down, now that we know, barring across here turns everything from its open name to a sharp, except for the E's and the B. That goes to the next alphabet. And we work our way down. If we fret here, that's F, F sharp, G, G sharp, and then we move to an A because there's nothing after G sharp. We go back to A and we repeat. So we have A, and then we have A sharp, B, no B sharp, so we go to C, C sharp, and then we go to D and D sharp. So that's 1 to 11. And the same thing on the A string. So your open A, I already told you it's an A sharp. Then we move to a B, no B sharp, so we move to a C, C sharp, D, D sharp, and then we move to E. There's no E sharp, so now we move to F, F sharp, G, and then we end with G sharp. The same thing with the D string, so we know that's a D, D sharp, then we move to an E, no E sharp again. So then it's F, F sharp, G, G sharp, and we're back to A, A sharp, B, no B sharp, so then we do C and C sharp and end at C. And the same thing with the third string, you know, open, and then is a G, and then G sharp, and then what comes after G sharp? We're back to A because there's nothing after that. So we got A sharp, B, no B sharp, so we're back to C, C sharp, D, D sharp, and then we move to E, no E sharp, so we move to F, and we end on F sharp. Second string, well, we know it's B, and then when we fret, I just told you, there's no B sharp, so now, what is next? C. So then we go C sharp, D, D sharp, and then we go to E, no E sharp, F, F sharp, and then right after that it's G, G sharp, and then right back to A sharp, and you're finished. This first string repeats as we did there. And then from the 12th fret going down, if we're to bar all the strings here on the 12th fret, now you have all the notes as if you were to pick all 6 strings open. And then we start on the 13th fret. And we just repeat the process as we did up here.